Hello and welcome to my video all about how to knit this broken rib pattern. It's only a one row pattern repeat, so it's very quick and easy. The first thing you need to do is cast on a multiple of 3 stitches. I've cast on 21. Then to begin you need to knit 1 stitch. Then bring the working yarn between the needles to the front and purl 2 stitches. And you simply repeat that over and over. So take the working yarn to the back again and knit 1. Then bring the working yarn to the front again and purl 2. Knit 1. And purl 2. Knit 1 and purl 2, and so on. And that's it, that's the 1 row pattern repeat. Once you've repeated this row quite a few times, you should have something that looks like this. As you can see, you've got those distinctive vertical ribs or stripes, and in between is a bumpy texture. It's reversible, quite stretchy, and it also lies nice and flat. Note that if you'd like to knit this pattern in the round, then please follow these instructions instead. So for the first round, you would knit 1, then purl 2. And for the second round you would repeat knit 2, purl 1. And that's it, that's how you knit this reversible broken rib. I really hope you found this video useful, and thank you very much for watching.